Insecticide toxophene act as an stomach poison. The living bird that lays world's smallest egg is hummingbird. Department of Agriculture Meteorology was established in Pune in 1932. Percentage of nitrogen present in farmyard manure is 0.5. Xylem is responsible for transportation of water in plants. Function of phloem in water, it transports sugar. Moment of cell against concentration gradient is called active transport. The absorption of water caused by a process called root hair in plant is called osmosis. In case of plant, nitrate absorbed from soil is it converts to free nitrogen. Example of active transport, sodium and potassium pump. Rate of absorption of water through root can be increased by keeping the plant under the fan. Function of Velamin, absorption of water. Water potential of a cell is affected by both solute and what potential. What is the relationship between them? Water potential बराबर solute potential plus pressure potential. Active transport is movement of molecules across cell membrane from region of their lower concentration to a region of higher concentration. The process that helps in absorption and absorption movement of water and mineral from root to leaves is called evaporation. Microorganisms like ribogeum and some blue-green algae helps in fixation of nitrogen. Fruit crack burst due to lack of boron. Plant obtain their nutrient mainly from soil. Plant absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrate. Blue-green algae is used to supply to paddy. Iron is a macronutrient for plant, not a macronutrient of plant. Chlorine, the essential element that is used in synthesis of protein and other compound in plant, is called nitrogen. Hydrogen is a macronutrient for plant. Element known as primary nutrient for plant is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Organism that shows a parasitic nutritive strategy, Cuscuta. The nutrient that is provided to plant from soil is called nitrogen. Organism that use light to prepare food is called autotrophs. Plant is an autotroph. Air sacs are present in hydrophyte. Aquatic plants are called hydrophyte. Insect that catches plant like insect food is called Utricularia. Example of tutor root parasite, Orombonche. Insectivorous plant, Nepthanthus. Desert plant are mostly fleshy. A perennial carnivorous plant that attracts prey, Venus flytrap. Mode of adaptation that done by aquatic plant, when osmotic pressure of body changes from that of ambient air and osmotic pressure. Coniform. The plant that flow adaptation through fleas are reduced to spine, Opuntia. Adaptation does not occur in emotional form. In hydrophyte, the specialized root are form of notophores.